Good afternoon, amigos, from
the middle of nowhere in San Luis Potosi, day 3.
This place already looks amazing. Today we're going to hop on one of these boats. We're going to row 4 kilometers upriver to a waterfall that's over 100 meters tall.
Greg's gonna row, I'm gonna watch.
We did a rowing event for 24 hours straight. I think we got this.
Yeah, let's do it. We just started the row. I've asked Greg if we're there yet, twice.
Why are you filming, not rowing?
And today I've decided to be camera girl. Because we couldn't quite make it upstream, so we got out and a bit of a walk, but we're making our way. The water is beautiful. I'm already tired of rowing, so not sure how much further we have, but I cannot wait to go swimming. And most importantly, we can't wait to show you guys the waterfall.
This is absolutely amazing. Every day in San Luis Potosi.
It looks fake. It's not a wall, I promise.
And somehow everything we see is better than the next. And the last thing was the best thing we've ever seen in our life, so that says a lot.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's time to get in.
Time to get in.
Okay, we're leaving the waterfall.
Incredible.
We got to jump off the rocks. It is insane. The water is glowing blue. I think now we're going to a cenote, I think. Either way, this place is Huasteca.
Okay, we have made it to a big water cave in cenote.
It is so beautiful.
It's hard to see just how big it is. It's 45 meters deep, which that's pretty deep. 45 meters, how many feet is that? 150?
More than 100, 150-ish.
Wow.
Sue can touch the bottom first.
Okay, let's go.
We're on our way back. Greg is pretending to row. I'm not even pretending, because we're going downstream now, so I feel like the wind will carry our souls where it wants. Well, we made it back on dry ground. We just had an incredible lunch. I think it was pollo
En adobe, salsa de adobe.
adobado.
Adobo? Adobo.
And it was incredible. We are
Waterfall,
zombies.
the water, everything. Huasteca has not disappointed. Wow, I don't know what to add, but I do want to add an interesting thing about Mexican tours is that they always take you to someone's little house and you eat the best food you've ever eaten in your life. Whereas like on a normal tour in the States, like you get like a little ETN sandwich. Un sandwich de ETN, and it's never quite
the same.
It's never quite the same, but San Luis Potosí, it's been a lot of fun. Unfortunately, we have to
head on to the next adventure.
Head on to the next adventure, which we don't know where it's going to be.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell, that way you get notified.
Cada vez.
We post a video, and we will see you with some more good adventures.
Mañana.
Bye.
Before we let go, we just wanted to say a special thank you to Hoteles Misión. Thank you so much for having us. If you are planning a trip to San Luis Potosí, the Huasteca Potosina area, then we highly recommend staying at the Ciudad Valles Hoteles Misión location. It has ice cold AC, and just as important, or if not more important, it has an excellent breakfast buffet. So before all of your adventures, you can stock up on chilaquiles and you'll be good until at least 3 p.m. And a special thank you to really everybody that watches our videos and that watches, comments, became patrons, whatever manner you are supporting us. Thank you. You are a big reason that we can make sponsorships like this with Hoteles Misión happen, and you are a big reason. You are the reason that we can travel Mexico and attempt to show the world just how beautiful Mexico is. Now you can go.